Hello YouTube, it's 2 Cools 2. This is update 1 of the snowstorms we hit in NYC. November 26th actually. I actually said the wrong date. Previous video from this morning. November 26th through the 28th, I believe, 2014. And so it was 3:30 p.m. Now it looks a little later than that. Currently it's raining. It was snowing before. It was wet snow, so none of it's stuck. There's also some hail coming down, according to my mother. I usually don't see hail, maybe freezing rain. But I actually heard it banging against my window. So, what's the problem? It's look, I was doing something. Yeah, right now, about 36 degrees, 35. See my breath. I know it's when I walk outside, you see my breath immediately. So it is very cold. The temperature's going to be dropping. Point Marine about to get 2 to 4 inches of snow. Not a big snowstorm, but first of the season, so I'm kind of excited for it. So yeah, thanks for watching YouTube. Check out more of my weather videos right here on my channel. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for updates. I'll probably make one by tonight. Bye guys.